This is a special weather statement, issued at 2:37 p.m. The National Weather Service in Portland, Oregon, has issued Severe Thunderstorm Watch 65 in effect until 9 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time this evening for the following areas. In Oregon, this watch includes 10 counties in northwest Oregon: Benton, Clackamas, Columbia, Hood River, Lynn, Marion, Multnomah, Polk, Washington, and Yamhill. In Washington, this watch includes 3 counties in southwest Washington: Clark, Cowlitz, and Skamania. This includes the cities of Albany, Amboy, Battleground, Beaverton, Cascade Locks, Castle Rock, Clatskanie, Corvallis, Dallas, Detroit, Forest Grove, Government Camp, Grand Ronda, Greenberry, Gresham, Hillsborough, Hood River, Independence, Kelso, Lebanon, Longview, McMinnville, Malala, Monmouth, Mount St. Helens, Multnomah Falls, Newburgh, Oregon City, Parkdale, Portland, Ridgefield, Salem, Sandy, Skamania, St. Helens, Staten, Stevenson, Sweet Home, Vancouver, Vernonia, Washougal, and Yakult. A severe thunderstorm watch means that thunderstorms are possible in and near the watch area. Stay informed and be ready to act if a severe thunderstorm warning is issued. This is a special weather statement, issued at 3:07 p.m. The National Weather Service in Seattle, Washington, has issued Severe Thunderstorm Watch 65 in effect until 9 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time this evening for the following areas in western Washington. This watch includes the following counties in western Washington: King, Kitsap, Lewis, Mason, Pierce, Snohomish, and Thurston. This includes the cities of Arlington, Auburn, Bellevue, Bonnie Lake, Bremerton, Buckley, Burien, Camp Murray, Centralia, Chehalis, Des Moines, DuPont, Edgewood, Edmonds, Everett, Federal Way, 5, Fort Lewis, Graham, Kent, Kenmore, Kirkland, Lacey, Lakewood, Lake Stevens, Lake Washington, Linwood, Marysville, Medina, Mercer Island, Mill Creek, Mukiltea, Newcastle, Olympia, Ording, Puget Sound, Puyallup, Redmond, Renton, Seattle, SeaTac, Shoreline, Snohomish, Snoqualmie, Sumner, Tacoma, Tukwila, Vashon Island, and Woodinville. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including damaging winds, large hail, and frequent cloud-to-ground lightning in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons in the watch area should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings.